Welcome, today in front of me INFINIX Hot 12i, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel, and now we can see here all the available icons. If you want to add here some icons or just remove some of them or just to change their positions, you should click here on this edit icon. After that, let's scroll a little bit down, and now we can see here all the invisible icons which we can add to our device notification panel. Just to do that, you should hold and drag the icon if you want to add, for example, also the calculator here. If you want to remove some icons from notification panel, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. As you can see, that's so simple. And to change their positions, you just should hold it and drag it. So that's so simple. And to just save the changes, click here to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.